Well, I'm here in Glen Etive. I'm just about to explore this amazing road this morning. And just about round the first corner, this is what you see. Before I get going, let me invite you to subscribe to my channel and also check out my website where you can sign up for my newsletter and find out more about what I do with photography, tuition, tours and safaris. So let's go and have a go. Just come across this big waterfall with that view at the back. Got the 24 to 70 on at the moment. I don't think I could fit it all in with this guy. Well, I've got the 16 to 35 on there now, and zooming that out, this was where I was at before, 24mm, can't fit it all in. Zoom that out to 16 and I've got everything, and even that little view on the left there, second little waterfall on there. So we're in a good spot here. Maybe I want it to be just about there. Also looking at the top right corner here, and the top left corner where I want those mountains to be dropping down. And I think if I go too far left, I lose something on the top right that I really like. So maybe it's about there. Maybe I need to move a fraction actually. But I'm going to work away at this just now. I'll let you know how I'm getting on. Well, I'm just here at Loch Etive, all the way to the bottom of Glen Etive, and what an amazing drive it is. There's just so many things to see, and it's a game of just being visually aware. The first half it's waterfalls, the second half is a lot of trees. Sort of different characteristics as you go through the glen. It's a bit like, you know, I've got a 3-year-old daughter and she likes this movie Brave. It's about a Scottish princess. And it's a bit like being in Brave around here. You get these massive boulders strewn around. How did it get there? And incredible scenery, some amazing trees. But when you get to the bottom here, you get to this really amazing loch. Look at that. So I'm just trying to quickly work up a couple of shots here, and I'll show you those and let you see how I'm getting on. But what a great adventure it is coming down that glen. You can see why people are drawn here. It's only a few miles, but it's taken me a couple of hours to get down, just with stopping and starting all the way. But let's have a look at what I'm doing now. And well, this is the scene I'm just quickly shooting at the moment. What have I got here? F11, if it's anything to do with me, ISO 64, 25 seconds. I just wanted to capture some flow and movement in those clouds above the hills up there. Got some really nice light there now. This is the best light I've seen all day, and so I'm going to work this angle a bit. I'm going to go upright, as you can see. I'm also going to do this landscape orientation shot, but there's lots to see down this way as well, so I'm going to have a wander up there and find a bit of foreground and see what I can do that way. But might just work this for a few minutes and see what I can get. Well, this is the view I'm shaping up here at Loch Etive, and meaning to turn the polarizer there, see if I can take some of that reflection away. Not that it's doing me much harm. Maybe I want to angle this up slightly. I know my photograph view is a little bit wider than the video view that I'm getting here, but the clouds at the top here are just moving through constantly, so I'm going to try and get a long exposure. I'm going to use my 6-stop filter for that, and I'm going to have F11. That's a sharp place for my lens to be. ISO 64, low ISO, better quality image, and the shutter speed's going to land at about 25 seconds based on shots I've done already. And so I've got the 6-stop Lee filter on with a 2-stop hard grad for the Skye. I've had a great morning here in Glen Etive, lots of photography opportunities, and when you get down here all the way to the end, this is as far as you can drive. I think that land behind me is an estate. it's a nice reward. For me, it's been a great exercise in looking, seeing, staying switched on, and trying to do all that while driving along a twisty road. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Also go to my website grahamdargie.com to sign up for my newsletter and find out more about my photography tuition, tours and safaris.